welcome back. Lovely to have you join me here again today. Very excited to share with you a flip through of my Lilac Lovelies journal, which has taken me an age to finally get together, so I do apologize about that, but I'm really happy with how it's turned out, and I hope that you're going to enjoy it too. Now, just before I go on any further, I have made a little video which I will put out next week on how I put this cover together, just, you know, decorate the top bit here in case you're wondering. So I will put that out on Tuesday. So yeah, don't stress about that. It's really easy, and I really love the simplicity of it, really. So look out for that one. Now this journal is a chunky monkey. As you can see, I've got a 3.5-inch spine here. I decided not to put anything on the spine. I had all sorts of lace pieces out and everything, but I really love this fabric. It's a Voyage fabric, which is from the Maison collection, which is a linen fabric, and it's beautiful watercolors, which is all sort of shades and the lilac colors that go into this journal. So that's what I have done there. Right, so a lovely chunky monkey. It's got 2 signatures. There's some measurements in case you're wondering. It is 9 inches from top to bottom. It's 6.5 inches that way, and as I said, a spine of 3.5 inches. Not too much of an alligator mouth, because although it is full, this is really brimming with lovely, exciting projects that we made together. So I'm going to just take you through that. This is a beautiful little embellishment I got from Plum Boutique, but if you have a look on Tuesday, I'll explain everything that makes up the cover. Right, I've got a sari silk ribbon here. I was going to use a lovely teal ribbon, but I just thought this worked a lot better, and so I've just used some sari ribbon that I've had from ages ago. So I'm going to open that up quickly. I just tied a double bow here, and we can get started. So we talked about how to make the cover, and I covered that with you on Friday. This is just what I haven't put anything on the inside pieces here, because really this is just full enough. So I'm just going to show you what I've done otherwise. Right, so that's the very first page, and that was beautiful in itself, so nothing required or done there. And then I've just stuck a piece of my collage sheets. I've done a lot of these ruffles which you saw me do, pleating the fabric and decorating them. And I've used them throughout this journal, which really just adds that little finishing touch, as I thought. Got in a large tag here, decorated that up with a few of the remaining fussy die cuts that I had, and just added a little sentiment on there. All of my tags are backed onto card, or my smaller pieces are backed onto my Lacey paper, which really is this paper in a digital. Okay, this is the first of my little old book pages, so the floral ones, and just put on one of these little things that we've made together. 2 pieces of ephemera in there. I've just put some stenciling. This is the gateway project we made. And guys, if you're wanting to know where all these projects are, I do have a playlist called the Lilac Lovelies Journal playlist, and I will put the description box in the description box below this video. So I'm not going to take every single bit out, but you know, we did cover all of these in there. This I've just made up with some scraps, a little tuck spot for 2 of my little remaining ephemera pieces that I had. So those are all backed onto paper, as I said, so you can stitch around them or not. That's really up to yourself. This gorgeous page, didn't do anything there. I tried not to do some of the things on some of them. This is another idea that I had that I thought I would share with you. So this is just a little project that I've made, which really worked out well with these pages here. So we'll do that for the Wildflower Lovelies. So I really like how this one's turned out. A little envelope that I made there, and another place to store things. We've got a beautiful another ABC of floral insert there, and I love all those pages from that book. Just another one of my little decorative bits that I've shown you. This is another project that we did together, and that opens up beautifully. So I love how that one worked out. I haven't put too much in here, except we've got some journal cards in that one. So I haven't added any more, because this is quite a chunky project. Make a lovely happy mail for somebody as well. Alright, so we've got that page there. We've got another page here. I've got an Edith Holden page. Love that. And as I said, I don't like trimming these, so I fold them back. So when you want to admire the full page, you can do so. It also can serve as a nice tuck spot if you want to put some pieces of ephemera in there and just put a paper clip on. You're not ruining the actual image itself. This is another little project we did. Love this one. I really enjoyed that one. And then those little bits that we put at the top there, 2 little tags. Just another page embellishment that I've made. You've seen me make these before in all my other journals, and I think I do have a little video on how I do that. This is just another little page thing that we did together, and there's something on the other side as well. Another little page embellishment. It's just with all the little bits and pieces that were remaining. Love how this all turned out. So yeah, we've made this. You've seen this in the wildflower one and also in this one, so love that one. I love making this page embellishment. It's a lot easier than it seems. I was just threading the ribbon through some straight stitching that I did, and that's silk ribbon, just using up all the bits and pieces really. This is the middle of the first signature, and I've just put some circles on the strings there. You saw me sewing these in, so that's just the center spread, and I didn't do anything to it. Again, another one of those little page edge trims that I've made, and loving those. It's a lovely place to write something, stick photos. And this is the other side of that envelope that we made not so long ago. A plain page. There are not many of those in here, but you've got to have space to write. Then we decorated up some book pages together, and I really love how that worked. So you'll remember all of that. And then this was another little project that we did together. I had to take that out first. So I love how that one came together as well. It's nice looking at them now, because I haven't looked at this for quite a while. And then that just fits into, that was the paper bag project, that's the one. So really love that. Get in there. All right, and that also lifts up, and you've got this that flips out as well. Right. This was the one page project, not the paper bag. So I like that one. Getting all confused. I've done so many projects. Just another little bit of decorative page edging there. Another Edith Holden. And again, beautiful images. And we've got this gorgeous page. And we made this little envelope as well, so those are lovely. This was the paper bag project that we did, and we've got some bits in here as well. Okay, so there's that, and then another beautiful page from the ABCs. Toilet roll, or this was kitchen roll holders that we made. I love making those. Just put in a tag there. The other side of the tea stain page, and we made a pocket there and a little one of those. Alright, so just a little bit into one of the pockets I've dressed up there. We did that together, I think. Coming to the end of the first signature. This was a project I shared with you, inspired by Gina. Love how that one turned out too. And then just another, I did a few daisy stitches there, embroidered them onto that piece of ribbon and scrappy bits. This is just the other side of another old book page. I've used that die, which I talked about once before. You can get this on my Amazon favorite tools list. It's really easy for these big slots. Love that. Then one of my little envelopes, I've just put a little bit of lace and a little bit of ribbon and some beads and sequins on there with a bulb pin, and attach that there. And that's the end of our first signature, and that was a lot in there, wasn't it? So the second one over here again, love that. Just some page decorations, another little page. I love these vintage pages. I love the drawings. Another one of the kitchen roll pockets that we made. A little bit of stenciling on there. Then this was another altered envelope we made, and it's got the lovely tags at the top, and tags at the top there as well, journal cards. Love making that. And this is the other half of it. And we had some little bits that tucked in over here, and then a big tag at the back of that. So this was one of my favorites to do. Little tuck spot here from the ends of the envelopes that we decorated. I've just put in a little piece over here, and we've got that beautiful page there. These are peeking over, which is nice, the middle of the pages. It's just some ribbon and some paper flowers. I've pleated the fabric and stitched it. Another ABC, floral ABC. And then this was the little notebook that we made together. So that was really lovely. And I added in some book pages there as well. And this is an altered envelope where we just house that. So it's just a case of getting the middle, putting that in there. You can take this booklet, write in your notes in the day, and then put it back into your journal when you've finished. Another antique Lacey bits, and I'll just put those bits on there. And we've got another lovely envelope that we altered. We did this one together as well. This is the other side of it. So that's that one. Love these. And then beautiful page, another little page edge decoration, another one of these. I can't remember, I don't think I've done this with you yet. Please let me know on the tea stain pages, the one with the envelopes, if I have. I'll have to check. And another little page edge. Use all the little scrappy bits, stitch them, and it really makes an impactful little image. This is just a plain page, another Edith Holden. I would hate to cut that bit off. And that side, you could always stitch that if you wanted to, but I usually just put a paper clip if I want to use it as a tuck spot. And another one of these little pieces within the lace paper. This is where we use the book pages again, and we just dollied them up a little bit. Love how that came together. And I talked to you about using normal novels and about decorating them up with fussy cuts, so I hope you remember that. Another plain page, and we've got the center spread here with some circles I've just put onto the strings. Love that page. So all the beautiful colors. The other side of the book page, use some doily there, and here as well. Here I've just put a little bit there, and then the other side of this I've got the envelope, so that one is just there. Sort of looks a bit odd, but it was one I needed to use. So another beautiful Edith Holden page, beautiful poetry and everything there. I love this little one, made that up from a piece of lace, and then just used up what I had. And then this is the other side of the tea stain pages. Love this. And got tuck spot with some of the postcards and things in there. The other side of that, I've just put a pocket, cut out some fussy cut edges, Over here, 2 pieces of ephemera in there, and one of these pages with this gorgeous bit. The other side of our envelope that we made, we did that together with this. Love the lace, lots of lace and fabric in here, more than I normally use. We've got I've just got our little postcard peeking out, and another one where I've just added a little piece of ribbon with some beads and sequins. These are those seed beads, and a little piece of lace there. And we've got a little paper clip, just clipping that in place. The other side, we've got this lovely project. It's got a closure on here. And you'll remember us doing that one. So that was amazing. I love doing that. And then we've got another floral ABC page and a plain page. This pair, I love this page. Then I've just altered this pocket slightly to make it a little narrower. I've made that tag from, it was one that you needed to decorate yourself. So all the scrappy bits and remaining bits went on there. So I like how that one actually came together in the end. And then we've got a plain page, the back of a vintage page. I've just used one of the little pockets and the bits remaining to make another pocket. We've just got that there, which I've sewn on. And a plain page, and that's the end of the journal. Look at that. Yeah, so all in all, it's got, what did I say, 112 pages front and back, which is slightly more than what I normally do, but I have thoroughly enjoyed putting it together. And as always, it's always sad to end a project, but we are busy with another one, which I'm thoroughly enjoying, and probably my best kit. Well, I feel I'm loving this kit the most, which is the wildflower ones. So if you did follow along with me with this project, our whole journey, I'm sure that you are going to be having something that looks very similar to this. And well, it's another one we can add to our bookcase. And my bookcase behind me here, where well, it's not a bookcase, it's sort of a surface where I put all my journals on and display them, because I love looking at them, is really growing now. So yeah, okay everybody, that's enough of me talking now. Go and enjoy the rest of your Sunday. It is boiling hot here. I've just managed to turn off the aircon for a short while I show you this. I look forward to seeing you on Tuesday, and thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I appreciate you guys so much. So until Tuesday, bye bye.